Merry Tech Tuesday! Do you think we were going to take the day off? I don't think so. Today's episode, we're going to be talking about beam patterns. Stay tuned. Okay, everybody. Beam patterns. What do they mean? There's so many nowadays, so I'm going to try and explain it to you, okay? First up, we have the spot beam. Oh, right in Santa's face there. So you'll see this nice spot pattern right around Santa's old jolly face, and now that's going to give you distance. So with the spot beams, I like to run those up front on Rudolph, so I get good distance. I can see what's coming ahead. Next up, we have a flood beam. Oh, now there's a flood pattern. Now see how Santa's lit up, so is everything else. Now we're not going to get that distance, so these I like to run on Dasher and Dancer. And I like to aim them a little bit sideways, so I can see what's coming up at the ditch lines. Well, I guess there isn't really ditches where I'm flying, but you know what I mean. Okay, now that's the basics. That's spot, that's flood. Now, what if you want more? More! Up next is the scene light, and it is a ridiculously wide flood beam. Oh yeah! Now Santa's lit up, and everything else is lit up like a flood, but much wider. Santa likes to put the scene lights on his sleigh, does he ever? Up next is a fog beam. Now a fog beam is a nice tight little beam. Now you see that right here? Santa doesn't even need his glasses. It's just not coming into my eyes. It's quite nice, and let me tell you, up on my sleigh, I run into a lot of fog at those altitudes. I just love these to slice right on through that fog. Alright, so that's a look at a few of the different beam patterns. I got my spot beams up front on Rudolph, so the distance, and then of course I've converted his nose to a fog light, Rudolph. And then I got Dasher and Dancer, and they got their flood beams on, so I get a little bit of side lighting. But then now closer to me, where I need the area light lit up, I got Donner and Blitzen running scene lights, so all around me's lit up. And then of course I have rock lights and everything underneath my sleigh. Of course, I pretty much have it all. I make the stuff at the North Pole. I hope you guys have a happy holiday, and we'll see you soon in the new year. Merry Christmas.